Hi, my name is Dwayne Squires.
My name is Richard Muse.
And we're partners at Property Result Investment. So in this video, it's going to be very short and snappy, and it's going to be answering the question of lease option solicitors, where are they and how do you go about finding them? So it's a really good topic actually. Primarily I just want to set out, it's really important that you do use solicitors. So especially if you're new, you want to get the advice as well as the guidance on how to structure the deal. There's quite a few documents that need to be put together. And if you want to know more about those documents, please click the link above where we've done a really detailed video breaking down everything you need to know. So the solicitor will explain everything that's involved. They will put those documents together. They will liaise with the vendors, solicitors as well. Now, it's very important, but in terms of finding solicitors that are specialists in lease options, it is highly, highly limited. It's like gold dust. There's probably, I would say, around 4 or 5 who specialize in lease options and do it week on week on week. Now, obviously, you just need to clarify that statement in the sense that as of the video being posted, there's only a small amount of lease option solicitors. And by the time you watch it, it could be that there's hundreds and hundreds and it's not such a big issue. However, just want to give you a few recommendations on how do you go about choosing the right solicitor. So, Richard.
Yeah, it's a very specialised field. Most solicitors don't have any knowledge of it, and so it's very important that you engage the right people. And where do you start looking? Well, first of all, recommendations, and follow on from that. And if you know people in the property business, then they will recommend solicitors to you as they've recommended them to us. We can recommend them now after a few years because we know we've managed to filter out the good ones and the bad ones, and it's very these deals they can be done very, very quickly, but some solicitors try and drag them out and it can take a long time. And we've got to manage sales expectation of the vendor and the buyer, so it's very important that we have a solicitor that can do the deals quickly in a short period of time. So it's mainly recommendations, I would say, of finding a solicitor. There's a few out there, and there's some, like I said, there's some good and there's some not so good.
Brilliant. And do you, I know we've got an internal list of solicitors that we like, trust, and they do regular deals for us. Can you give an example of the experience we've had to go through to find those solicitors?
No, it's been a nightmare. I think there's one solicitor a couple of years ago actually. They said we wanted to do quite a lot of lease options. Oh yes, we want your business. And as soon as I give them, I think a portfolio, several portfolios. I think about 20, 30 properties to do, and yeah, fine. And then I thought, yes, they would do them. They said they would do them quickly, and time was passing. What's on here? What's on? And I was spending half my time just following up with them and not getting anywhere. And anybody that knows me, I know I'm a very placid person, but as time goes on, I get impatient, and really, really impatient. And I started firing emails off to them and not getting response. And then I just turned around one day and said, oh, right, we've decided we're not doing them anymore. Even them existing deals, I had to go and find another solicitor. This is after 2 months. I had to go and find another solicitor to do them in the time we needed, in the short time we had left, actually. And so that was a real horror experience for us. So it's very important that you have a solicitor that is going to perform for you in the time that you're given to complete the deal.
Thank you for watching that video. If you're thinking of investing in property, have you considered investing in North East? If you have or you haven't, why not check out the full video playlist we created, which gives you the full deep dive in investing in property in the North East. Check it out.